Hello everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you today. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to explore a fascinating aspect of the law of attraction, how the universe tests us before our realities change. This is a topic that resonates deeply with many of us, as we often find ourselves at the crossroads of desire and reality. Have you ever felt like you were on the brink of something extraordinary, only to face unexpected challenges or doubts? If so, you're not alone. When we set our intentions and aim for something greater, the universe seems to respond. But what happens when things don't unfold as we expect? In those moments, it can feel as if the universe is throwing obstacles in our way, testing our resolve. Understanding this process can empower us to navigate these challenges with grace and purpose. The universe is always listening. Every thought, every desire, and every emotion we project into the world is picked up by the cosmic energies around us. It's as if we are broadcasting our wishes, hoping to attract what we want into our lives. However, before the universe aligns with our desires, it often presents us with tests to assess our commitment and readiness for change. Let's take a moment to reflect on what these tests may look like. They can manifest in various ways: a setback in our career, a challenging relationship, or even moments of self-doubt. These experiences can feel frustrating, especially when we're eager for transformation. However, it's essential to recognize that these tests are not punishments but rather opportunities for growth. Think of it this way: imagine you're preparing for a big performance. You've practiced and envisioned your success, but as the day approaches, unexpected challenges arise. Perhaps you face technical difficulties, or you struggle with nerves. These hurdles can seem daunting, but they are also essential for refining your skills and boosting your confidence. The universe operates in much the same way. It presents us with challenges to help us strengthen our resolve and clarity of purpose. So, why does the universe put us through these tests? The answer lies in the nature of our desires. Often, we may yearn for something without fully understanding the implications or responsibilities that come with it. For example, you may wish for financial abundance, but are you prepared to handle the challenges that accompany increased wealth? The universe might present you with situations that encourage you to reflect on your readiness and ability to manage what you desire. When we encounter these tests, it's crucial to maintain a positive mindset. It's easy to fall into negative thinking, questioning our worthiness or abilities. However, shifting our perspective can be transformative. Instead of viewing these challenges as roadblocks, we can reframe them as stepping stones toward our goals. This shift in mindset allows us to see the lessons hidden within the tests. Let's delve deeper into some specific ways the universe might test us. One common test is the presence of doubt or fear. When we aim for something significant, feelings of insecurity may arise. This is natural; after all, stepping outside our comfort zones can be intimidating. However, rather than letting these fears hold us back, we can use them as tools for growth. Acknowledge the fear, but don't allow it to dictate your actions. Think of the uncertainty and trust that you have the strength to overcome it. Another way the universe tests us is through the appearance of similar situations in our lives. You might find yourself encountering people or experiences that mirror past challenges you thought you had overcome. This can be frustrating, but it serves a vital purpose. The universe wants to see if you've truly learned from your experiences. Have you developed healthier patterns? Are you ready to approach situations with a new mindset? Recognizing these patterns allows us to break free from cycles that no longer serve us. Patience is also a key factor in these tests. The universe operates on its timeline, which may not always align with our desires. It's easy to feel disheartened when things don't happen as quickly as we'd like. However, patience is a powerful virtue. It teaches us to trust the process and cultivate a deeper understanding of our desires. Each test we face is an opportunity to strengthen our patience and resilience. As we navigate these challenges, it's essential to maintain clarity about what we truly want. When faced with a test, take a moment to reflect on your intentions. Are they aligned with your values? Are they truly what you desire, or are they influenced by external pressures? This self-reflection can guide you through difficult moments and help you make decisions that resonate with your authentic self. Moreover, don't underestimate the power of gratitude. When we focus on what we appreciate in our lives, we shift our energy and attract more positivity. Even in the face of challenges, expressing gratitude for the lessons learned can change our perspective. It allows us to see that every test serves a purpose, bringing us closer to our goals. One of the most powerful aspects of the law of attraction is our ability to manifest change. However, we must be willing to do the inner work required to align ourselves with our desires. This includes confronting limiting beliefs and patterns that may be holding us back. The universe tests us to help us identify these barriers and push through them. It's an invitation to grow, evolve, and step into our true potential. In moments of testing, visualization can be a helpful tool. Picture yourself overcoming the challenges you face. Envision the reality you desire as if it has already come to fruition. This practice strengthens your belief in the possibility of change and aligns your energy with your goals. The more vividly you can visualize your success, the more you reinforce your commitment to your desires. As we explore this journey, it's vital to be kind to ourselves. Change can be uncomfortable, and facing challenges can bring up a range of emotions. Allow yourself to feel those emotions without judgment. It's okay to experience frustration or sadness. What matters is how we respond. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that you are doing your best. Another aspect to consider is the importance of taking inspired action. The universe responds to our energy, but it also appreciates when we take steps toward our goals. This doesn't mean forcing things to happen, rather, it involves being open to opportunities that align with our desires. When faced with a test, ask yourself what action feels right. This could be as simple as reaching out for help, seeking advice, or taking small steps toward your goal. As we progress on our journey, let's not forget the power of affirmations. Positive affirmations can help rewire our thinking and strengthen our belief in our abilities. Repeat affirmations that resonate with your goals, reinforcing your confidence and commitment. For example, if you're facing self-doubt, affirm to yourself, "I am capable of overcoming challenges and achieving my dreams." These powerful statements can shift your mindset and attract positive outcomes. As you navigate the tests the universe presents, note to celebrate your progress. Acknowledge the small victories along the way, no matter how insignificant they may seem. Each step forward is a testament to your resilience and determination. Celebrating your achievements, no matter the size, reinforces a positive mindset and keeps you motivated on your journey. The universe has a remarkable way of aligning with our intentions, but it also requires us to be proactive in our growth. Think of the tests as essential parts of your journey. When you encounter challenges, take a moment to reflect on what the universe might be asking of you. Are there lessons to learn? Patterns to break? Strengths to cultivate? By approaching these situations with curiosity, you can transform obstacles into opportunities for growth. Note, the journey toward your desires is not always linear. There may be twists and turns along the way, but each experience contributes to your overall growth. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, even when things seem uncertain. Your dreams are valid, and you have the power to manifest them. In closing, I encourage you to think of the tests the universe presents. They are not barriers but rather stepping stones on your path to transformation. Approach each challenge with an open heart and a curious mind. Trust in your ability to navigate the ups and downs, and note that every experience serves a purpose. As you move forward, keep your desires clear, maintain a positive mindset, and take inspired action. Surround yourself with supportive individuals, practice gratitude, and use visualization to reinforce your commitment. Think of the journey, knowing that each test brings you closer to the reality you desire. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your journey and the tests you may have encountered. What have you learned from these experiences? How have they shaped your understanding of what you desire? Acknowledge the strength you possess to rise above challenges and stay true to your intentions. If you found this discussion valuable, please consider showing your support by liking this video. Your engagement not only motivates us to create more content but also helps spread this empowering message to others. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, now is a great time to do so. And if you're passionate about this topic, feel free to share this video with friends and family. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment. Note, your journey is uniquely yours, and every step you take counts. Stay curious, keep your heart open, and trust that the universe is aligning everything for your highest good. Thank you for joining me today in exploring how the universe tests us before our realities change. I hope you found this discussion insightful and empowering. Note, you have the strength to overcome challenges and manifest your dreams. If you enjoyed this content, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Your support helps spread the message of growth and positivity. Until next time, take care and keep shining your light.